Locating the reset button on your ADT alarm system.
Hello. Today, we're going to talk about a frequently asked question. Where is the reset button located on an ADT alarm system? ADT alarm systems are used by many for their home or business security. But as with any electronic device, there may be times when you need to reset the system. This video will guide you through the process step by step.
Understanding your ADT alarm system.
Before we get into the specifics, it's important to understand that ADT alarm systems do not typically have a physical reset button. Instead, resetting the system is typically accomplished by entering a specific code or command into the system's user interface, which is usually done through the control panel.
Locating the control panel.
Your ADT alarm system's control panel is the primary means of interacting with your system. It's generally mounted on a wall in a frequently accessed area of your home or business, such as the entryway or near the master bedroom.
Resetting your ADT alarm system.
To reset your ADT alarm system, you generally need to follow these steps. 1. Access the user interface on the control panel. 2. You may need to enter your security code. This code should be known to the system owner or administrator. 3. Navigate through the menus to find the reset function. This may vary slightly depending on the model of your ADT system, but it is typically found under a menu labeled Settings or System Options. Note, if you are having trouble finding the correct menu or resetting your system, it may be a good idea to consult the user manual for your specific ADT model. If you do not have a manual, you can typically find one online by searching for the model number of your system. While the ADT alarm system doesn't have a physical reset button, resetting the system is as simple as accessing the right option in the control panel's user interface. This guide has hopefully made this process a bit clearer for you. Always remember that the user manual for your specific model is an invaluable resource if you need more detailed instructions. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this helpful. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to ask.